The skill and habit of writing has definitely made me the person I am today and is responsible for almost all the opportunities that I'm getting at the moment. As a PhD graduate and scientist, writing is just one of those things that will never go away, and improving it and making sure it's a habit is the surefire way to become more successful in any given field. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. What do you think of the background, and do you think this is a cool place to make YouTube videos? I'm going to keep this video really short. So over a month ago, I made an email newsletter after watching a video from a very influential YouTuber. As soon as I finished that video, I actually started my newsletter. I have over 5 posts on my newsletter, and every Friday I write a few snippets based on my thoughts for the week, based on my YouTube channel, based on finance, and based on my life as a PhD graduate. An email newsletter is an excellent way to build your habits of writing, because now I know every Friday I have to finish this email letter. If I don't, nothing's going to happen to me, but it's just that thing in the back of my head saying, you know what, Jubair, you told people that you had a weekly newsletter, and if you're not going to live up to that, what are you really? I'm basically making this video to say that I started a newsletter and I highly recommend that you start it too. It doesn't cost anything. So the provider that I went with is Substack. It's so simple to use. It's very simplistic. It doesn't cost anything to you or your subscribers. However, further down the line, if you do want to monetize it and add a paywall, you can do that too. I just find it really simple. It's kind of like writing a blog that gets converted into an email, and it allows you to take control of your own audience. Your audience can actually reply to your emails. You can have polls in your newsletter asking people what they think about certain things. And at the end of the day, you're not at the mercy of something like the YouTube algorithm. There have been loads of examples of people creating newsletters many years ago and selling them for millions of pounds. For example, Morning Brew was purchased for 75 million not too long ago. Tim Ferriss has a short newsletter which he has over 2 million subscribers on, and sponsors offer him tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of pounds just to have a mention on his newsletter. So I'm not saying if you start a newsletter now it's going to be global and it will be your retirement pathway. What I'm saying is that it's going to build habits, and over the long term, the compound interest of you writing weekly is going to add up, and honestly, in 2 years, who knows where you will be. So make sure you subscribe to my newsletter in the link in the description down below. While you're here, check out some of my other videos, and as always, thank you for watching.